Hey guys, it's Shay back with another video. What's up guys? If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also make sure that your post notifications are on, baby, because you don't want to miss out on any of these bangers that I got coming. My back to school series has officially started, which leads me to the title of this video, Pack With Me Vlog for School. So I'm heading to college in 2 days, y'all. Your girl still hasn't packed. It's giving unprepared, but it's okay because we're about to get prepared right now. Okay, so far I've pretty much been fixing up a couple things. I don't have everything settled yet. I actually bought a suitcase today. Can you say unprepared? I still gotta do my hair tomorrow, baby. You did get a step back. So yeah, I'm pretty much gonna be like packing my clothes, shoes, makeup, hair stuff, you know, hygiene bag. Like I'll be packing all that stuff today, and as I go throughout the days, I'll make sure to add some more stuff, and I also make sure to vlog for y'all. I try to pack a couple days early. I was supposed to pack yesterday, but you know, it just didn't go right. And also my moving date got changed. It was supposed to be for the 15th, but it changed to be the 12th. So now I have less time to pack. And my goal was to start packing yesterday because I was supposed to move in on the 15th next week, but now I have to move it on the 12th. So I have to fly on the 10th. So everything is just kind of pushed forward, which is kind of like it's messing with my schedule because I had everything planned out. But it's all good though because I always come through with a plan. So yeah, we're gonna figure it out. But yeah, as of right now, I pretty much like fixed out my clothes on my bed. I'll show you guys in a bit, and just, you know, trying to figure out everything. I'm pretty excited for moving day. I'm looking forward to school. Like y'all already know, I'm looking forward to the back to school content. Like I'm ready for it. I'm not sure if y'all ready for it, but I'm ready for it because I already know how the order is pretty much gonna go. I have the Pack With Me vlog, then I have the Travel With Me vlog to Pittsburgh, then I have the dorm shopping vlog plus the haul, which I don't know if I'm gonna include in the one video or do separately. Don't know yet, but I'll let y'all know. And then I have the supply shopping vlog plus haul, which I also don't know if I'll, you know, put the haul all in that together. But yeah, and I also have the back to school clothing haul, shopping, all that stuff will be, listen, just stay tuned. And I have the dorm room vlog, moving in vlog. Listen y'all, I'm coming through with the bangers. I'm really excited for these videos because it's different, and this is the first year ever that I've actually like really focused on back to school series. I never do back to school series. Well, I did like president school stuff, but I never really like, you know, got in depth. But this year I'll make sure to be doing that because I'm going to college, so I want to kind of record all that for y'all and also just have memories and all that stuff because baby, we need that. But yeah, let me get to start packing because baby, it's giving the grub. Get to step in because I'm already like way pushed back. So yeah, let me get to packing, y'all. First things first, let's start off with the bags that I'll be bringing. So I have these two pink suitcases. Well, this one is a suitcase and this one is a carry-on. Then I have my Gucci bag over here, which I'll be bringing with me, and I also have my book bag over here, which he got me. So yeah, I'll probably be bringing this bag on my back and this in my hand. I don't know yet how I'm gonna do this. I'll probably end up putting this in the suitcase just so I won't have like too many bags to carry. But yeah, suitcase, carry-on, and bag, like a duffel bag, and then this book bag right here, which will probably go in my suitcase, but I don't know yet. But yeah, that's pretty much how the bag situation is gonna go. Realistically, I have two suitcases and one carry-on, but one of the suitcases my mom is gonna carry it for me just so it won't seem like I have two suitcases, so she'll have one for me but with my stuff in there. But as far as like, you know, what I have right now, I have a suitcase and a carry-on, but my mom also has a suitcase which is for me, which I'll put my stuff in there. But yeah, that's what they look like. So yeah, they're so pretty. I picked them up today and they're really cute. It's giving. Y'all know I love them. I'm also cute. I had to pick up some new ones because the old ones that I had wasn't giving the girls the skate line. But y'all know I love me some pink, so I had to pick up some pink suitcases. As far as shoes, these are the shoes that I'll be taking to school with me. First, these are my volleyball shoes. These are workout shoes. Ignore under my bed, y'all. It's such a mess. But yeah, volleyball shoes, workout shoes, and these are like, you know, going out shoes / school shoes. And I have my Crocs over here, you know, comfy day fit, whatever. And I have these cute sandals back there just in case like we want to do some team bonding and do something fancy or something. These are some of the clothes that I've been thinking about taking, and then I have some more clothes back there which are like kind of like folded up, a mess a little bit because I slept on them, so disregard. But yeah, those are like mostly like practice clothes that I have to like, you know, roll up and fix up, and some pajamas as well. So I'm gonna show you guys like a bunch that I've been thinking about taking. So the first shirt is this one, which was actually thrifted. So yeah, this is pretty cute and it could match my orange dunk. So I figured, why not bring this maybe for school or whatever I feel like doing with it. Then I have this shirt from Nike. It's like this aqua blue shirt, mostly for practice, but I could also go out with this and it's like really cute. I have this super cute skirt, which is actually from Shein. And yeah, it's like this random like black skirt. I don't know if I want to do like a schoolgirl kind of fit one day for school or whatever. Then I also got these jeans, which are from Jaded London, which I'll probably bring with me. I love the like design and all that stuff, and you know, I'm trying to be drippy for school too. I don't want to be looking like a bum every day, you know what I'm saying? Even if it's college, I don't care. Then I have this Space Jam shirt, which is from Forever 21. It's so cute. It's a crop top. It doesn't have sleeves or anything. I think this is like perfect for like a hot weather type thing. Then next up, I have my favorite jeans of all time, y'all. I literally have to go with these jeans. Like these jeans, I absolutely love them. I love the length. It's super long and it's super like tight. Like it's skinny jeans, so it fits me absolutely perfect. And they're also stacked jeans, which I love. I love me some stacked jeans. But yeah, these are from AliExpress. Believe it or not, yes, AliExpress. Shipping took forever, but listen, definitely worth it. Then I have this shirt, which is from Shein. It's all orange, and then it has like the zip up design in the front, and also like kind of like at the bottom, which you can kind of like zip it up or whatever. I think this shirt would be really cute for like any like simple fit or like, you know, fit that I want to make look cute. But next up, I have like this kind of like, I don't know if I should call this a graphic tee, but it's whatever. It's a shirt. It's from Shein. It says babe on there, green graphic, whatever. It's really cute. It's orange. I love this like orange. I don't know, I picked it up because I thought it was cute, but I can definitely bring this for school. Just, you know, if I want to do like a chill fit or whatever, I can definitely do this. Then next up, I have this Nike Just Do It shirt. Of course, I love me some Nike shirts, y'all. I already had another one. I have a whole bunch of these, but yeah, this is from Nike. Then I have this Bratz shirt, which is actually from Yes Style, and it says Bratz on here. It's really cute. It has these like, you know, detailings on the side. I think this will be perfect for like just any simple fit or like cute fit that I want to make, you know, look good or whatever.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain.
so much for watching. This intro gotta be quick, y'all. I'm sorry the vlog was like all over the place, but yeah, I love y'all, and yeah.
I'm the highest in the